Hello, Chicken Legs here, and today I'm gonna be posting a video. I just ate dinner and I'm still a little bit hungry, so for dessert I'm gonna eat all that candy. The reason why this one is open because I was gonna make another video, but it took me a long time, like 3 minutes to open that candy. So let's hope that doesn't happen in the other ones. If it does, I might just post this as bloopers, maybe. First one, it's green apple chewies. That says. Stop. It's freaking hard. Do you hear that? It sounds like it's a rock. I thought these were called chewies. I'm seeing the other computers right there, and I can see that their reflection. Look at this. I'm seeing myself. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Alright. Anyways, now I'm gonna try this. Blackberry, I think. Let's hope it tastes as good. Blackberry, I think. That actually tastes good. Wow. Oh yeah, sure. Now it gets chewy. Good. That was good. I know like one of these is just gonna taste horrible, and if they don't, I'm either just gonna not post this video up. I have no idea why I said that to the camera, but either I'm not gonna do that, or I'm just gonna post it up anyways. It's actually really easy to post up videos on your iPod. Sorry about that. I want to keep on putting it like that upwards. I need to put it to the side more so that you guys can actually see around me. The stupid little box things. Anyways, it's good. Now we're gonna try this thing. Yeah, like grape, I think. Let's try it out. I have no idea what it tastes like. Seriously, I don't know. I don't know. Alright, on to the next one. Here you go. Chewy's raspberry. Alright. I think this is raspberry. Let's see. Oh no, it's probably raspberry. Let's go. Yeah, it's raspberry. Alright, all these chews are tasting good. I'm gonna try something else. Here we go. I was planning on watching the Titanic, but I decided not to. One of these days, if I mess up, I'm just gonna keep on continuing it and keep on messing up bloopers, because most bloopers are funny. I don't try and do bloopers, I just... Alright, I'm not sure what this one is. It's like, it's not Chewy's, it's like Flintstone thing. Orange flavor. Fine. Oh my gosh. Try something else. Haha! I know these will taste bad. I hope. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try the red one first. I just dropped a yellow one. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you, it tastes fine. Now we're gonna taste the yellow one. It tastes fine. I'm like kind of getting pissed right now. Like, come on, just taste something bad already. I'm actually getting stuffed. Yeah, that's right. Stupid camera. Gosh. The green one tastes the worst out of all of them. Well, that was an epic fail. I could have sworn there was going to be something bad in that candy bowl, but looks like there isn't. Subscribe, comment to this video, thumbs up. Yeah. See you guys later. I'm gonna go throw it right now and watch Titanic at the same time. Don't know if you saw that, but anyways, done with my candy. Red one, it was good. And then I tasted the green one, and that was probably the worst one of those ball things. I'm gonna throw up and watch the Titanic at the same time.